Hi everyone, welcome back to a new episode of Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your email on Tubi. Keep watching the video till the end. To change your email on Tubi, firstly go ahead and launch open your Google search. On the search box at the top, type in tubitv.com and make a search. The official page of Tubi's account will appear on the screen. Sign into your account using your login credentials and you'll end up on the homepage of Tubi's account. From the homepage, tap on Profile icon at the top right corner of the page. From the drop-down, click on Account Settings. Edit your email address and tap on Save. A confirmation mail will be sent to your new email address. Tap on Mail Sent by Tubi for verification, and that's how you'll be able to change your email on Tubi quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.